This is hydrogen tap. What you're looking at here is an alternate, the focus cell. The cell that I've been, or that is on hydrogentap.com, the site, has 11 plates, and alternately in those 11 is neutral plates or blank plates. That means there are 6 or 3 positive plates, 3 negative plates, and the rest are neutral or blank. I call them blank. This focus cell here has 6 plates in it. 3 plates are positive, 3 plates are negative. The difference here is the spacing between the plates, and I'm going to show you how that's working. I've got here 2 meters. The meter on the left is the amp meter. The meter on the right is the voltage, and this is a variable DC power supply that I'm working off of that you can see. I'm doing some tests on the focus here to get more data so I can work on the Honda with it. If you looked at the last video, you'll see the 2 tubes that are going in the Honda. One has the focus cell in it, and both of these cells will be on hydrogentap.com. This one without the neutral and the other with. So let's start this off here, and you can see what's going on. So my tests, I'm going to start bringing this up very, very slowly. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of lye in distilled water. Right now we've got 2 amps at 4.82 volts. You can see right now where the negative plate is. It's always on the one with the most bubbles. That's the hydrogen coming up. So the hydrogen is coming up on the other side, which we can't see. These plates here is the oxygen side. We're going to bring this up. Right now we've got 1.78 amps at 5 volts. We're going to start bringing this up now. There's just about 5 amps. Got a little more than 5 amps coming here. At 10 volts. The cell's performing very well. We're only running at 10 volts here. I'm going to bring it up. This power supply will only put about 5 amps out, and that's at a little over almost 9 volts. I'll turn it off here. I'm going to hook up a battery with it and show you the difference. Okay, turn the fan on in a minute. What I'm going to do is hook up 14 volts. That's a battery that's being charged. And we're going to see what the difference is. This would be what it would look like in the Honda. Remember, there's only 6 plates in this cell. What I'm going to do is turn this around so we can see the hydrogen. Okay, now these are the hydrogen plates. And you can see the difference. Before you come to any conclusions, there are 4 1/16 of an inch spacers between each plate. So these are not spaced an eighth of apart. They're 2/8. Each plate is spaced 2/8 of an inch. Since I turn the plates around, I'm going to do the same thing with this variable power supply and turn it on now. Now we're going to be looking at the system, but we're looking at the positive plates. You should see a difference here. We're at about 4.5 amps at 3 volts. I'm going to bring it back down here. We're at 2 amps. At 3 volts. So as you can see, in this volt range we have nothing to work with. Now I'm going to be setting this up and showing some tests on the pulse management. We'll see what it'll do, but meanwhile it's time to get it back in the Honda and start getting our mileage up. I'm shooting for 30% mileage gain using the hydrogen system.